Indian Railways has been looking out for a viable collision prevention system for the last 10 years. And in 2009, RDSO, Research Design Standards Organization, which is a vendor development organization for Indian Railways, floated an expression of interest for development of a collision prevention system called Train Collision Avoidance System. And HBL Power Systems, Hyderabad, was one of the first firms to actually respond to the EOI. And we have been engaged in the development and design of this product from 2009. And the last three and a half years, we have put in a lot of effort in the development of this system. And early 2012, to be more precise, February of 2012, we developed the first prototype of the system, and we were able to demonstrate the system in a lab environment, wherein a full-blown simulation of the complete system was demonstrated to the railways. And the performance of the system during that particular lab simulation trials was very successful. And post that particular trial, a few more features were requested by the railways to make it better than some of the systems that are being offered by much more advanced solutions from European countries. And HBL also incorporated these new features. The same was again demonstrated in the lab environment in September of this year. And these trials at HBL labs were witnessed by very senior officers from Indian Railways. We had additional member Signal and Director General RDSO and other senior officers of the Railways who came and witnessed these trials. And post the successful demonstration of these trials in the lab environment in September, they gave us permission to actually look at deploying these systems in a few locomotives and test the functionality and the performance of the system on real tracks using real locomotives. And in October of 2012, which is this year, we conducted different tests looking at various scenarios that could lead to collisions or collision-like scenarios. And the performance of the system was very effective, and it was found satisfactory by the railways. And at the end of these trials, the chairman railway board himself, along with very senior office from the railway board, came to the trial site to witness the trials in person. This happened in October, on October 17th of this year. And post the successful demonstration of the trials to the senior leadership of the railway board, a further trial was requested wherein multiple stakeholders who are involved for this particular product were actually asked to go witness the trials once again in November. And this particular group of railway officers comprised all the additional members from the railway board. And in November of this year, they came and witnessed the trials, and they also found the trials to be successful. And based on the performance over the last 1 year, both in the lab environment as well as on real tracks, the railways have now decided to float a tender to cover a larger section of track, covering almost 250 kilometers with almost 40 locomotives to be equipped with this particular device, and test the performance and performance of this product. So that is the current status of the progress of the train collision avoidance system.